conectores son adverbios y conjunciones que ayudan a relacionar las diferentes ideas que constituyen un texto o una intervención oral. Se trata de relaciones temporales, de causa y efecto, de contraste y de comparación, etc. Hay diferentes tipos de conectores. Los conectores copulativos, conectores disyuntivos, conectores condicionales, conectores concesivos, conectores conclusivos, conectores continuativos, conectores adversativos, conectores causales, conectores comparativos y conectores funcionales. Copulative connectors. And, not only, but also, both, and, no sooner than. It's hard for a student to work and study at the same time. Mary plays not only the guitar, but also the violin. She's not only beautiful, but very intelligent as well. John wants both, to earn more money and to work less. I had no sooner gotten into the bathtub than the telephone rang. Disjunctive connectors. Indican elección, separan o diferencian dos términos. En inglés, algunos de ellos son or, either, neither, whether, or else, otherwise. We'd better leave right now, or we'll miss our bus. Either you shut your mouth and listen it, or you leave the class. Jack neither wrote nor telephoned. Mary wondered whether to travel or to stay and save the money. You have to pay the rent of the house or else you will be evicted. You'll have to hurry up, otherwise you'll be late. Conditional connectors. Son aquellos que indican condición para la realización de algo. Algunos de ellos son if, whether, unless, provided, as long as, in case of. If I see him, I'll give him the message. I wonder whether she really wants to do that. Don't go there unless they call you. We'll go fishing this afternoon, provided it doesn't rain. You can stay here as long as you work hard. Call this phone number in case you get lost. Concessive connectors. Although, even if, despite, in spite of, regardless of. Although Jack is not very tall, he's excellent at basketball. Even if he's right, that doesn't give him the right to be arrogant. They will not finish on time, even if they hurry up. It was a great match in spite of the bad weather. They decided to finish the project regardless of the cost. Conclusive connectors. Estos conectores reflejan la consecuencia de lo dicho en el texto. En inglés, algunos de ellos son therefore, hence, thus, so, consequently. I don't know her phone number, therefore I can't call her. English is not her mother tongue, hence her mistakes. He overslept and thus arrived late for the appointment. She was a little fat, so she decided to go on a diet. They argued all the time, consequently they eventually got divorced. Continuative connectors. Estos conectores se utilizan para dar continuación a la idea que se está expresando. Son algunos ejemplos: then, moreover, furthermore, besides, in addition to. Por ejemplo, if it is not here, then it's lost. They work very hard. Moreover, they do a very good job. I don't want to stay here. Furthermore, I have things to do. I don't like that house. Besides, it's too expensive for me. Mrs. Baker had a great interest in literature, in addition to her interest in music. Conectores adversativos. Añaden una negación a la frase anteriormente mencionada, una frase opuesta a la otra. Por ejemplo, but, however, nevertheless, yet, still, instead, on the contrary. He spoke clearly, but I didn't understand him. He doesn't study much, however, he gets good grades at school. It was very stormy, nevertheless, he went fishing. He was a very good swimmer, even so, he drowned. He cannot speak very well, still, he understands everything. I'm not going out tonight. Instead, I will stay home and cook something. The boy is not dumb. On the contrary, he is very smart for his age. Casual connectors. Introducen causas a nivel del texto cuando una oración cumple la función de ser causa de otra. Algunos conectores son because, for, because of, since, as. Due to, the baby is crying because he is hungry. We'll have to stay home, for it's raining outside. They stayed in because of the bad weather. He won't understand since he doesn't speak English. They couldn't find us, as they didn't have our address. The unemployment was high due to the economic crisis. Comparative connectors. Se utilizan cuando una o más oraciones expresan grados de comparación por semejanza o diferencia. As, as, not as, not so, as if, as though, than. Nobody knows that subject as I do. His car is as fast as mine. They are not as good as you think. His second book was not so good as the first one. They treat me as if they didn't know me. Bill started to spend money as though he had won the lottery. Learning English is more difficult than the most people think. Functional connectors. Utilizamos los conectores funcionales para expresar un fin, objetivo o propósito. En inglés algunos de ellos son so that, so as to, so as not to, in order to. So tell me, what do you think about my new dress? He gave her a present so that she would feel better. Jack opened the window so as to let in the sunlight. She wrote down his address so as not to forget it.